Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will share with you guys 10 really powerful iPhone apps that I believe every iPhone user must download on their device. These are apps that are actually very useful and will help you do a lot more with your iPhone. Now another really useful thing is the like button on this video. That's actually super helpful as it will help this channel and this video do much better, so please make sure to smash the like button before leaving this video. The first app for the video is a video editor called VN. Now this is really powerful, and the best thing, it is free. It has a lot of amazing tools that will allow you to edit any video on your iPhone just like you would do on your computer. It is super useful, and it has, as I said, amazing features which actually you can use for free. So once you have loaded the video, you will see the timeline right here. Now what you can do is go ahead and add music to your videos. You can of course add maybe text here. You can see you have title templates right there. You can also add other pictures like the picture-in-picture mode. So tap right here, load any picture you want from the camera roll. So here I have like a video that I just loaded there, and of course I can resize this, place this anywhere I want, and of course on the timeline here I can drag it around, and of course just move it anywhere I want and then play it right here. And you can see we have now picture-in-picture there. Super useful. Of course you will get all the filters and everything that you usually get on video and photo editing apps. You can change the speed of the video right there. You can create a curve, or you can just go ahead and completely change the video speed, and of course you can split the video and all that stuff. And you will have the normal things here like the cropping, the rotation, anything that you want. Of course change the opacity right there of the picture-in-picture maybe, or the video. Of course zoom in, rotate, and all that stuff. So really powerful. Once you have done all that, you tap the share button, and from here you have the export settings. So you will have basically the defaults. These are like the ones which the video has that you load here to actually edit, or you can just go ahead and change the resolution manually here and just choose any resolution you want, the frames per second, also the average bit rate right there, and go ahead and export this into your camera roll. Next up is Smart Tools. Now Smart Tools is like a bunch of apps into one app. You can do a lot with this app. Like you have an accelerometer right there. You can scan different codes from here, and of course you will have other options like convert different stuff like maybe temperature, convert anything you want, weight, length, data, and all that. Then you will have things like counter right here. You can basically calculate distances. You will have the light level. You can see you have magnifier, you have night vision right here. This is really cool. So a bunch of different tools that you can find on this app right here. So you have a stopwatch, you have a translator, vibrometer, all that into one free app. So if you need any of these tools, you can find them for free in this app. A bunch of different tools to use absolutely for free. Web Translate is the next app for the video. Now this app uses Google Translate to translate any website on Safari. It is super simple to use. Now of course you have the translation tool that iOS has, but that sometimes doesn't show up on the different websites, and of course Google Translate is that much better. So what you got on the app right here, you can choose a translation engine. You can choose which language you speak, so of course when you translate, it will translate to that language that you have chosen right here. And then of course you can enable display original text after tap. So you tap a website, it just shows you the original text on the original language of that website. So right here we're on Wikipedia. Of course it's on English. Tap the share button right there and just tap right here, translate website, and there we go. Here we have the website fully translated into French in this case. And of course once you're done with that, you can just tap right there at the top and it will take you right back to the website on the original language. Now if you go here and you don't actually see Web Translate, what you will need to do is just go ahead and tap on Edit Actions, and from here make sure you add Web Translate to the page right there, and you will be able to actually translate any website on Safari using Google Translate. Now this one right here is really interesting. This is a new app called Love It, and I actually love this app. Now previously I've shown you guys an app that actually lets you share photos through widgets on the home screen with your friends. Now this one will let you share notes. So you can actually write a note to your friend on this app and it will appear on their home screen on the widget. Now the way this works, what you gotta do is just go ahead and install the app. Once you install it, it will show you like a field here to enter a code. That's the code that you will have to receive from your friend. So you get the code, and of course from there you can just go ahead, link with that partner, and of course then you can just go ahead and write a note. So tap right here, you can see you have all the different tools right here. We'll have also different stickers that you can add here, and of course go ahead and just simply tap right there to send to them. Now once you have added the home screen widget, this is what you will see. So basically your friend, your partner, whoever it is, writes a note, send it to you, and it will appear just like this on the home screen. Now the thing is that you can only link one partner. Of course, if you want to change, you will have to basically enter the other code. Just unlink this and of course enter the other code. Now to do that, you go to settings right here, unlink your partner, and then of course from here you will be able to actually add the code of the other partner. Now here is the code. This is what you will see at the beginning. Once you install the app, you can copy this code, of course, give it to someone and they will connect to you, or you can tap right here to input their code and connect to them. ScanThing is the next app for the video. Now this is an app that will allow you to scan different objects. So here is this object, this Rubik's Cube that I just scanned right here, and it actually does quite a good job. Now this will be super useful if you have maybe like products that you have to take pictures of, and of course the only thing you want on that picture is the product. This is super useful. It actually works really good. Now once you have saved that, you will have that saved as a PNG file, so there will be no background. It will be just the object that it scans. Even though of course you will have it sitting on a table or somewhere, when you scan it, the background will be completely blank. And you can also scan text here and also scan different documents with this app. But the main feature is of course the ability to actually scan objects, and it does quite a decent job. Super PDF is the next app for the video. Now this is probably the only app you need when it comes to editing PDF files. So here I have just loaded a PDF file, and you can see it will show me this grid view of all the pages that PDF file contains. And what I can do here is of course just tap on any page. I can edit this page, copy this page, remove this, insert another PDF file before or after this page, or just add a blank page right there. Of course, you will be able to just drag around the pages and just go ahead and rearrange them just like you would do with icons on the home screen of your device. Pretty cool, very easy to do. You can see the UI is very simple. You can just go ahead and edit a PDF, do anything you want with it, and of course rearrange the pages or insert new ones with this free app. Character count is the next app for the video. This will likely be super useful for students. So what you gotta do, copy any text, just paste it right here. You can see you will get all the information down here. So we have the characters, words, sentences, paragraphs right there. You have nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and everything of course that's on this text you will find right here. So you can see these are pretty useful. Now once you're done with this, of course you can even tap the share button and you will have everything saved there. But if you're just like a student, you need to write an essay or stuff like that, you need to know the amount of words, sentences, and all that you got, all the structure of that text. You can just paste the text here and you're good to go. Next up is Toolbox. Now just like the first app that I showed you guys, where you have a bunch of different tools to do a lot of different things, this app does the same, but it has these tools when it comes to images and also video. So you can see what you can do with this app, a bunch of different things. You can convert, compress, and of course live to MP4 right there, convert actually live photos to MP4s. You will have tools here for GIFs, video to GIF, live photo to GIF, and all that. And of course you can even extract different pictures from GIF files. And what you can do right here is also convert videos, extract a photo from a video. That's pretty useful. Now when you have like a good video you want to take a picture out of, probably take a screenshot, but that's not really good quality. With this you can get the best quality, and of course you will have the same here for audio, and you can also unzip and archive different files. So let's just try one of the tools right here. Let's extract a photo from a video here. Just load the video from the camera roll. Now once you have loaded the video, you can see just like that, you can just move around on the video and of course tap the plus button and there you have it. Tap on finish, and there you have the picture we just extracted out of that video. Of course, we can go ahead and share this or just save it into files or into the app library. Next up is an app called Brightify. Now this is a simple app to use. It does also a great job. It will brighten your pictures that are of course taken on dark environments and enhance them, make them look much better. Now the app works automatically, even though of course you will have the ability to change things manually as well. So once you have loaded a picture, the only thing you get is this slider, which lets you choose the amount of brightness you want to add to that picture, and you can see how good of a job it does. Now of course, once you have done this, you can just go ahead and save the picture, but you will also have here the manual control. So if you want to play around with these, you can, but the app actually does quite a good job automatically, so you don't have to bother with the manual sliders here to change the brightness of your photos. And last but not least is an app called Blur Video. Now this is a free app that allows us to blur faces or anything else you need on a video. It works really good. It's pretty simple to use. All you have to do is just load the video, tap right there to add blur. Now you can add of course round or rectangular right there. So if we add the blur here, we can go ahead and of course reshape that and also change the size. You can choose the strength of the blur right there. You can add pixelation or you can add blur, whichever one you want, and then you will have it right here. Of course, you can choose here the length, so just like that, and you can also add keyframes. So if I add a keyframe right here, I can change the size from that point to on. So it's really good. It works, as I said, really good, and it's very simple to use. So you can see just like that, you can blur out anything you want on any of your videos. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. These are 10 apps that are super useful and I believe every iPhone user must download on their device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to download any of the apps, of course, make sure to check out the pinned comment. You will find all the links there. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.